We are ending the autumn, and as you can see, we are with the fallen leaves of the trees. It's a very special time for the soul of all beings. And I would like to tell you one of the sections of my book, The Looking Glass Spring, the second book of the trilogy, The Cycle of the Garden. This trilogy started with the book The Gardener, who has been an international bestseller in different languages. And the first book, The Gardener, has been just published in the Netherlands. You can find it in Dutch. And this is a small tale from the second book of this trilogy. It says, "Autumn arrived. Thousands of yellow maple leaves curled up in the frenzied cabriolets of the westerly winds, rising to the heavens amid the delirium of their dance with the sylphs. The meaning of their death and their fall from the tree that gave them life was engraved in their hazy consciousness as they contemplated the living carpet that their sacrifice would give to the forest. The spirit of the wind smiled from his throne upon the hills. Paradoxically, the scythe of death was about to sow future hope in the buds of a new spring. Amidst the silent mists of dawn, a fallen leaf drifted down like an endless tear and laid its light soul upon the waters of the pond." This is a section of the second book of my trilogy, The Cycle of the Garden. In this moment, as I said, this book, The Gardener, has been translated into Dutch, and it has been published this month in the Netherlands under Samsar Books. Thank you very much and happy Christmas.